This is Village Auto's 2009 Toyota Sienna LE minivan. Very clean local trade, accident free, verified through AutoCheck. The rear wiper, rear defrost, tow package, 4 brand new tires, dual power sliding doors, privacy glass, luggage rack. Very well maintained van. This one does come equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. A lot of van for only $6,315. This one does have the quad seating in the rear. Very clean cloth interior. This is a 7-passenger minivan. You also have the rear heating AC controls. Altogether very clean, very well maintained. Do the full power options, power driver's side seat, AM/FM CD player with the auxiliary input, cruise control, steering wheel audio controls. Altogether very clean, very well maintained van that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2009 Toyota Sienna LE home with you today.